Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. So we are starting a new project. We actually started a new project. This is the tail right behind me. We are building the Global 7500. We actually wanted to build this plane before the 777, but then we got too excited about the 777, so we stopped this. And now we are back at this one. It's gonna be a quick project. I might make a video or two maximum. So the Global is going to be smaller than the 777. It's gonna be 23 feet wingspan. That is around 7 meters. At this point, we are almost halfway in, so I'm gonna show you what we did so far and then continue with the build. By the way, there is a merch shop online. Grab yourself something. Anyways, let's get to work. All right, here's the fuselage. It's almost done. It's fully wrapped, carbon fiber in and out in 3 sections. This is the split in here. These are the bulkheads in here with the connection joints. 40 millimeters carbon tubes in here. The stabilizer as well is almost done. Rudder is made separately. Of course, the fuse from inside, it's empty. I don't think we will need any bulkheads. This is super strong. It's like a carbon tube with this length, so it is fantastic. And so we will be working on the wings. These are the wings. They are fully machined. We're gonna do the usual in here, put these ribs, put the wires, and then wrap them with carbon. All right. All right, the wings are ready. We put all the wires. Sections are glued together. And this here, an extra tube for reinforcement. Servos wires are all in. And this here is the wingtip. This wingtip is removable. This is the landing gear base. I'm gonna reinforce this with carbon as well. And so now we will wrap these with carbon fiber. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay offers custom PCB prototyping service. You can get an instant quote with minimum quantity requirements and starting prices from only $5. They also offer 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, and injection molding. Learn more at PCBWay.com. right, these wings are fantastic. I would say these are the best ones yet. You know, we always improve. You know, project after project, we improve. And these wings are super smooth. 3 tubes, and that's the other wing in here. That's fantastic. Look at the wingtip. Yeah, these are of course going to be removable. All right, I love this. Now we are going to start marking the flaps, cutting all these, and the ailerons as well. I'm very excited for this one. Beautiful wings. All right, we cut the flaps, both wings, and we are almost done with the fuselage as well. These are the nacelles. They are glued, EDFs are installed, and these are carbon thrust tubes. They are beautiful. We're just gonna put a thin layer of carbon fiber on this. They are super strong with this EDF mounts. So yeah, looks great. We are still missing the stabilizers. We are working on them right there, just sending the foam, preparing the foam. So we're gonna continue with this. We're gonna wrap these and finish the flaps. This project is going to be ready really soon. So this is gonna be it for this video. And the next one, we're gonna cut the hatch, install all the electronics and wiring and all this stuff, and turn it on for the first time. And as the usual, we'll take it up to the runway, do some testing around, and it will be ready for the main flight. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.